ETV 1620 series multi-service KVM HD video transmitter. It can simultaneously transmit KVM signals and 4K quality HDMI video signal, independent audio signal and data services. Support one-way infrared transmission function. Support USB 2.0 interface. It can realize the control of mouse, keyboard, U-disc, printer, LCD touchscreen. The mixed matrix distributed access platform is used to transmit KVM signals point-to-point. Multiple KVM signals can be flexibly switched, simple networking, and easy installation.